By the end of this video, you'll learn the exact strategy that I use to pass prop firm evaluations. And since you clicked on this video, you may be struggling with prop firms, and trust me, I know how it feels. You want it so bad. You stay up late studying, you watch every video, you finally think you found a strategy, and then you mark your zones and you mark up your charts and you wait for the setup and you finally enter the trade, and then the candle just goes against you. Multiple blown accounts, spending money that you don't really have on prop firm evaluations, and you still haven't passed. You're trying to stay motivated, but deep down you're starting to wonder, is this thing even for me? Look, I've been there before. I've blown over 70 prop firm accounts. I've had so many days where I felt like I wanted to quit, and every time I learned something new, the market found a way to humble me again. But once I stopped trading random setups and started using a repeatable model, everything changed. I quit my job from day trading. I got my dream car from day trading. I destroyed all of our debt from day trading, and now I pass prop firm evaluations all the time. And I'm not saying that to flex, I'm saying that because I need you to understand that the strategy that I'm about to show you is the same strategy I use to pass challenges over and over again. Now, real quick, what I'm gonna give you today is the two-step version of the breakaway model. But I need to tell you right now, stay until the end of the video because I'm gonna show you the part that makes all of this click. And listen, I'm giving you the two-step version here, but there's a three-step version inside my course. But today, I wanna show you the foundation, because if you can't understand the foundation, the advanced step is not gonna help you anyway. And if you actually apply both of these steps, you're gonna start seeing the chart completely different. And real quick, before we dive in, if this video helps you, hit the like button, drop a comment, tell me what prop firm that you're trying to pass right now. I actually read those and I try to respond to every comment that I can. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so step one, this is where most traders mess up before they even get started. Most traders are looking for entries before they even understand the story. You're looking for the direction of the market, the places you probably could have entered, and the most recent swing points. Where a lot of traders go wrong is they don't actually know where price should be going in certain areas, or they try to catch reversals. That's why the candles keep going against you. You're not always wrong about the direction a lot of times, you're just early. And in prop firm challenges, early is the same thing as being wrong. Because if you enter too early, the stop gets hit before the move ever even happens. So before I ever even think about an entry, I need to know where price is going. Did price break a recent swing point? Did it take liquidity? Is it consolidating? Did price break away with displacement or a big push? Did buyers or sellers actually step in with strength? I'm looking for the market to show its hand before I put my money at risk. And don't miss this part, because this is where most traders lose before they even enter the trade. They're looking for the entry, but they never understand the setup. So let me show you what that looks like on the chart. All right, so right here, I'm not thinking about the entry yet. I'm thinking about the story. I'm thinking about where is price going? What area did price react from? And did it sweep any type of liquidity yet? Because this is the difference between trading a random candle and actually understanding what the market is doing. So right here, we get a nice push, and then we see price leave with strength. That is what we call the breakaway. So the breakaway is the market telling me that the buyers or sellers have stepped in with aggression. And this is important because I don't want a weak break. Weak move, weak setup. If price does not enter with strength, I don't care how pretty the push looks, I just leave it alone. Now pause right here. If you can learn this spot on before you enter, you'll stop taking half the trades that's killing your prop firm challenges, period. So look at this area right here. Most traders would have already been trying to enter because they see a nice candle move, but I'm not entering just because something looks good. I need the story first. Did we take any type of liquidity? Did it break away? Did the market actually show strength? If the answer is no, there is no trade. And so guess what we get right after this? We get a big old push down, and price just continues to push down. Now stay with me, because step two is where it gets really dangerous in a good way. This part is where I actually enter the trade. And honestly, there is a step three like I mentioned before, but I didn't put step three in this video because that is inside my course. But that's the part that helps me filter out all the fake setups, all the fake outs, all the liquidity grabs, and it helps me know when I should not touch the trade at all. But steps in 1 and 2 alone can completely change the way that you see the market. So let's keep going. So this right here is the difference between chasing price and trading with confirmation. When I was blowing accounts, I entered because I felt like I was gonna miss the move. Now I only enter because the market gave me a reason. Okay, so what you're gonna do when price decides to finally push down, you're gonna enter off a fair value gap that you see. So if we take our sell bar right here, because we're back testing this, if we enter off of a fair value gap and have the swing point covered as our stop loss and try to go for at least a 1 or 2, we probably would see a really good move right here. So this is the fair value gap that we're trying to enter price off of. And let's just see if it holds. So we would have got in. Every time I show examples, it's always like consolidated. This shows like that you have to be patient in the live market too. Thank you. Found the TP hit, bro. Golly, man. Dang, man. Okay, I'm gonna show you another one because I don't want you to think that this is some one-time perfect screenshot. The power of a real strategy is repetition. If you can't find it once, it's not a model. Okay, and so for this one, we got our big push up. So we're gonna drop down to the lower time frame. So we got a clean fair value gap right here after price broke. So this is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and enter off of this. Because the first one took a long time, I feel like I gotta redeem myself right here, right? So we're just gonna go for a big old move. Let's just go for a 1. Let's go for like a 1 to 5. Let's just see what it does for us. Price wants to play around, so we're gonna play around too. Since everybody on games. All right, we in the market. We got that big old push up. Boom, TP hit. I'm telling y'all, man, this strategy is crazy. All right, now I told you at the beginning of the video, I was gonna show you something near the end that makes all of this clear for you. This is that moment right here. I'm gonna walk you through an actual payout that I got over the weekend from a Tradify account that I passed last week using these steps. Please use my affiliate link in the description. Tradify is the GOAT. Let me show you this real quick. This is me with Tradify right here. I passed multiple accounts within 3 days, and this is me getting the payout. I'm funny with my numbers, so I'm just gonna block out all the numbers, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like when you request some money from Tradify. Please use my affiliate link. They pay out so fast. They're a very, very good prop firm. And then I ended up getting the email right here, as you guys can see, which is great. And it showed that my payout request has been approved. I really recommend these guys. And what's crazy is I passed these challenges in 3 days. And I'm not telling you that to stunt, but I need you to believe that this is possible for you, because I was you. I was a trader blowing accounts. I was a trader learning strategy after strategy. I was a trader watching candles go against me every time I entered. I was the trader wondering if I was ever gonna figure this out. But when I stopped trying to enter everything and I started mastering one repeatable model, that's when everything started changing for me. Now look, I gave you a 2-step version today. Step 1 is the story. Step 2 is the return and entry. And honestly, those 2 steps alone can change your trading if you actually apply them. But if you want the full thing, if you want that step 3, that part that helps me filter out all the fake setups, avoid low quality trades, and understand exactly when to not trade inside of my challenge, that is inside my full course, the Breakaway Model. The full system, step by step. I show how to look at the chart, how I build the system, how I manage risk, and how I approach prop firms with a real plan. The link is in my description. So if you're tired of learning random strategies and tired of blowing accounts and tired of failing challenges and feeling like every time you enter, the candles go against you, get inside that course, bruh. Because the goal is not to just pass one challenge. The goal is to become the type of trader who can get funded, protect the account, and actually make it to a payout consistently. And listen, the strategy is really, really good, but if you don't have the psychology to actually utilize it, all this information is gonna be useless, because you can know where to enter and still blow an account. You can understand the setup and revenge trade. You can see the breakaway model perfectly and still break your own rules because you got emotional. So click this video right here, because I'm showing people why traders fail prop firm challenges and how psychology kills their funded accounts. And if this video helped you at all, please like the video, drop a comment, tell me what prop firm that you're trying to get funded with, and subscribe, because I am pumping out content and I just want to be a blessing to people. So I'll see y'all in that video right there.